Hello guys, in this video I will share with you how to adjust screen brightness in Windows 11. Follow the steps in this video so you know how. The first step, please type settings in the search field below, or you can also directly click start to look for the settings icon. Here I will give an example of finding the settings icon by typing manually in the column below. Here you can adjust the laptop screen brightness level according to your taste. Okay guys, that's how to adjust the screen brightness in Windows 11. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.